Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be showing the process how to apply for the fully funded Singapore AI Safety Fellowship for the session 2026. This is a 3-month international exchange program so that you can visit Singapore on fully funded coverage, and we'll show the process for this. Before that, let me remind to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you're new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Yesterday we had pre-made a video and we missed the audio in that, so we appreciate your patience and we will try not to do that again. And it happened due to the mistake, and we accept that. Do also follow us on Instagram page here on Instagram, and the link for this fully funded Singapore fellowship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashflow.com. And on Instagram, you can directly message our team and ask for the link or check out the highlights. And once you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can read about this particular exchange program or any other scholarship that you are looking for. Host country is Singapore, and this is a AI Safety Fellowship funded by the Singapore, and you will receive an opportunity to spend 3 months at the AI safety research, where you will receive monthly stipend, accommodation, round trip air travel, computing resources, and there is no application fee for this. Also, other benefits are also there. So fellowship dates will start from 21st of September to 4th of December 2026, and it's fully funded. Deadline is 10th of July, and you'll receive a monthly stipend of around 5,000 Singapore dollars. Accommodation in Singapore is also provided with the round trip international travel expenses, visa arrangement, and up to $30,000 in computation resources. Then you'll also receive a dedicated official workspace and weekly mentorship from experienced AI safety researchers. Uh, Applicants may conduct research across different several AI fields, and some of them are AI alignment, frontier in AI safety, AI governance, machine learning safety, AI security, trustworthy artificial intelligence, AI policy, and other subjects as well. Fellowship highlights like full-time research experience in Singapore, collaboration with international researchers, and one-on-one mentorship. Besides that, other benefits are also there. Criteria: strong background in technical research, have a genuine interest in AI safety, and be comfortable working in an international and multicultural environment. And likewise, why apply? So, regarding benefits, we mentioned, and besides that, this is one of the best opportunities to visit the Singapore. How do you apply? Scroll down and then you can see click here to apply. Tap on this button. Now, once you tap on that, it will take us to the official website, and it might take few minutes or few seconds to load depending completely on your internet connection. And so let's wait for this. It should not usually take this long, but again I'll try to open it. Okay, here you can see the aisafety.sg is the website, and this is the Singapore AI Safety Fellowship. And 3 months in Singapore, $5,000 of Singapore per month, and up to $30,000 USD to compute. All benefits like stipend plus housing plus travel are mentioned here. In order to start applying, you can see apply now on the top. Click on this button here, and once you click on that apply now, it will open the application form. Now you'll have to enter your first name, last name, your preferred name, your uh, first name, preferred name, and all likewise details. Then your pronounces, how do you can see, and then email, then current stage, you can see UGPG research, whatever is, you can mention that. Current role, student, organization, and now you upload your CV here. So one by one, upload that, and can see now resume is there. Now LinkedIn, Google Scholar, all GitHub you have, you can submit. Now is the logistics section. Would you be able to participate full time? Yes. Are there any other considerations you have? Anything like your family? Now country of residence, then nationality, and after will you require a visa? Yes. Yes. What drew you to this fellowship? You have to justify. Now, if you have any technical paper on AI, you can upload that here, or proof. You can say that you are qualified enough for this. And if you are present anywhere in any of the conferences, you can submit that as well. Please choose three mentors. You can see National University of Singapore and computer science. You can see different. Then describe possible research areas that you would like to explain. You can mention that AI safety. Now you understand terms and conditions. Any references? You'll have to provide at least three references. So one by one, you upload these. So you provide all the reference details here, and then share the background of the reference. Then second reference, and you agree this. Now once you are ready, click on submit. You can see you. Thank you for submitting the form. That's a simple basic form they have kept. No hard computation is there, nothing complex. Basic application form. In case you have any confusions, you can go to this website here, read details there. All information is mentioned here. Three pillars of this session: what fellows will receive, experience, computation facility, office space, research and career space, stipend and housing, community and events. You can see mentors there from Claude to the Tsinghua University, from National Singapore University to the this AI Concordia. You can see almost from every of this Anthropic members, technical staff, they'll be mentoring you. So you can see even from top AI companies, people will be mentoring you during these 3 months of fellowship there in Singapore. So you should not hesitate to apply this. There's no application fee, no complex documentation, just basic application form is there. Still, if you find it difficult to apply, ask us in the Instagram here. You can go to our website fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side you can see Instagram button. Tap on this and it will take you to the website Instagram page here, where it will link this so that you ask us questions directly and we can answer them as per the page. Please do subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and share this video with one who wish to visit Singapore absolutely free. This is the best opportunity. And yeah, that's it. I'm signing off for fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.